Hey guys, welcome back. If you're looking for a device that combines a smart infotainment system, GPS navigation, and a dual dash cam into one package, then you need to check out the Imagebon M70. This impressive device features a large 11.4-inch QLED touchscreen, instantly giving almost any vehicle a modern, high-tech dashboard experience. The display is bright, responsive, and perfect for navigation, media playback, and multitasking. Under the hood, the M70 runs Android 14 and is powered by an 8-core processor, with configurations available up to 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. That means smooth app performance, fast loading times, and plenty of room for your favorite apps and media. One of the biggest highlights is support for wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Once connected, you can access Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, phone calls, messages, and voice assistants without plugging in your phone. The system also supports HiCar and wireless screen mirroring, giving you even more connectivity options. But the M70 isn't just an entertainment system. It also functions as a powerful dual-camera dash cam. The front and rear cameras record in 1080p resolution, while the wide-angle front lens captures more of the road around you. For added safety, the built-in ADAS system can provide alerts such as lane departure warnings, forward collision warnings, and vehicle movement reminders. Another standout feature is 4G LTE support. Simply insert a SIM card and enjoy internet connectivity directly on the device. You can stream content, download apps, use online navigation, and even monitor your vehicle remotely through the CarKeeper app. The split-screen function is also incredibly useful. You can display navigation alongside audio, YouTube, CarPlay, or other apps at the same time, creating a truly smart driving experience. And with features like GPS tracking, loop recording, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking monitoring, the Imagebon M70 offers much more than a typical portable screen.